Right here in front of me in the Supercar Street Racing dining room, we have a special product that was provided to us from the company Shine Decor. And today we're going to be taking a look at this and we're going to install this on Supercar Street Racing. I have directly in front of me the smart LED silicone light kit here. Now this was sent to us from the company Shine Decor, and today we're going to be opening it, see what it's like, install it, and let you guys know if it's worth the price. And so fresh and so fly, ever so in front of me is the Shine Decor smart LED silicone neon light kit. Now this was provided to us by the manufacturer to check out and install, so we're going to do that right now. And on the outside of the box you can see shine-decor.com is the website to go check out. And then right here we do have the email addresses, info@shine-decor.com. On the back of the box right here, it does say that it is supported by Android, and it also is supported by iOS 10 and 12 millimeters in height. And this is a 16-foot run of LED strips. Inside of the box, you get the neon light kit, you get a remote control, a power adapter, some screws, mounting clips, cable caps, end caps, and a quick guide. As you can see at the bottom here, they are IP65 waterproof. They do have a timer, have a mic function, can sync to music, and they are dimmable. Now that's a look at the outside of the box. What's inside the box? I have gone ahead and cracked open the Shine Decor LED light set. You can see right here, it is a flat looking kit. Now I don't see any 3M tape on the back of it. Now these are cuttable, it says. I don't think we will need to do that, but it says there are indicators on the back that are dark spots to cut. Also in the box here, we see some cap connectors for the end caps. You see some metal mounting brackets here. It looks like we might have some 3M tape right here. Taking a closer look at these clips, basically these screw onto something and then you slide the LED strip simply right through these metal clips, and that is their mounting point. There is no 3M tape on the rear of these strips to actually tear off and mount. Now mounting these guys seems easy enough. I will be using zip ties, but I kind of want to see which side of the light actually lights up or if it's both. And I definitely don't see a 3M tape on the back. We now have power, and then that 12-volt adapter goes to the LED driver, which looks like it's infrared. And then the LED driver does just connect directly to this plug here, and it can only go one way, and it is on mic mode, I can tell, and they are very bright. Okay, so I did push the mode button and it is just flashing. And there, I pushed it one more time and it is fading between colors. These are the presets here, 1, 2, and 3 on the remote. I'm gonna go ahead and go through some of the modes. That is changing color, fading. Now it looks like they do not chase. I think I hit the end of the modes. All right, let's go ahead and get the phone out and get the app downloaded. Okay, we are on the phone now, and we're gonna go ahead and scan the barcode that came with this. Let's go ahead and get that done. And then there is the app, and it did take us to duoCO Strip in the Play Store, or Google Play, or whatever you wanna call it. And that is downloading now. duoCO Strip looks familiar to me. I might have used it with another device. And I have gone ahead and opened up a duoCO. Now you can see right here, you can change it to, let's see, it wants to connect to the device. Let's see if it found it. It did find it, so it automatically connected via Bluetooth. And now if we go down to style, there's a crossfade, which you guys can't actually see. Let me turn on the other camera. Okay, the other camera is now rolling on this, and we do have the app open. This is red gradual change. That looks like it crossfades between green gradual change when it actually is, there's green, there's blue, yellow gradual change, purple gradual change. These are called crossfades here, red crossfade, blue crossfade, green crossfade. And it does not do a chase as far as I can tell. And you can see from this main screen here that you can just do static colors like yellow right there. And that's a basic look at the app and how the duoCO works. Now let's get this thing outside and get it installed. We are out here in the beautiful Supercar Street Racing backyard, and right here in front of me is the TV that supplies video to the outside of the Supercar Street Racing Humble compound here. And the first thing we need to do, I just wanted to show you guys really quick, the janky setup that is on here now is a old neon light kit. What we are going to be doing today is install this brand new light kit in place of this rope light and get rid of all this stuff here. So let's get all this removed first. All right, we're back out here in the SCSR backyard with the new strip, and what we want to do, our goal, is to end somewhere around the bottom here. Now, if we do put power to this guy, you can see here that the light is just on one side of it. It's not on both sides, so what we want to do is aim this side to the back. So we're going to want to wrap this around several times and make our 16-foot and have our power right here. So that's what we're gonna do, is zip tie this guy up. So I'll just start like this, aim it at the back. This does have holes in it also. We'll go ahead and get one on this end as well. Okay, we are all done with the neon LED rope light installed. Now we just have to clean up the power wiring, so that is next. So we have our LED controller. They gave us some double-sided tape for that. All I gotta do is go grab that right now. I need to pull some slack. That's great.
Got him! Got him!
Well, now's the time to get slack, I guess.
Got him! Got him!
Okay, we are all done with the install of the neon LED rope kit. And tonight I will show you guys the final results of this install. But for now, we are finished and we'll take everything back inside until tonight. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are finishing up our video about these smart LED neon rope lights that we were so generously given to from the company. And today we have installed them on the back of this television, and you can see right here and right now they are glowing a nice green glow in the back, like a minty fresh unicorn. I'm trying to get the cameraman to laugh. So, camerawoman. So yeah, we installed these lights today, and if you look back here on the back, you can see how we did this. And we basically took the zip ties and all around the TV mount. Since they were 16 feet, we just had to go all the way around a few times. We zip tied them up, zip tied up the power supply. And then right here, we do have the remote. There's also an app for this as well. And then the TV will just slide back like this. And if I can get it to maybe slide back. Oh. Okay.
Got him!
All right, that wasn't planned.
Got him!
Oh, did you just hit the gold thing up there?
No.
The flash.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay, yes. All right, it's back. So
Power surge.
unplanned is the best. All right, so we do have the remote here in our hand, and there's also a smart app for this. We are shooting on the phone now because it has better low light video. But on the remote here, we have a bunch of different options. We can go with just a color, and it's actually infrared, so you have to be in line of sight when you select it. There's a brightness control here. So there is actually a brightness control on the remote, and this mode, you can see it can flash between colors or it can fade between colors, but there's no chasing. So it's not gonna chase around the strip like the more expensive ones. But for the price, it's actually kind of a good deal. And if you step back, you can definitely see that it accents the wall very nice. There's also a speed control here. So if we want to go slower on the fading, we just press speed right here. There's also pre-programmed patterns if we press this, and then we can go the speed down. There's another pattern. It also does microphones, so you can actually play music and the lights will react to the music. And so that's what it looks like with all the other lights on out here. And we want to thank our sponsor for today for providing these lights for us. And now let's throw it back to the studio. We'll take a look at this online and see how you can buy your own set. Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing once again, and I am Brad, and this is the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio, where we come to you and bring you high quality content such as reviews and projects and things like that. And today we have these Shine Decor smart LED neon strip that was so generously given to us from the manufacturer to check out. And as you can see back on the back patio, we did install the Shine Decor strip on the back of the Supercar Street Racing compound television set out by the back pool. Now you can see right here and right now, this thing does have a 4.1 star review, and I did enjoy this a lot. The only thing I can say about this is that it does not do chase. So it only does color changing and flashing, And that's about it. And it does have a remote control. It is an infrared remote control, meaning that you have to be line of sight to actually point it at the device. You have to be line of sight with the infrared receiver. And right here in front of me, it has a 4.1 star review. And if we take a look at some of the reviews, 5 star, it says something about floating shelves that they made. They used them on their floating shelves. This one says beautiful light, product looks great, and it looks like a true neon light, and it does. If it's in view, it looks better because it has a diffuser on it. And now some of the 1-star reviews, not RGBW. It does not do white. It says difficult to set up. I found it was quite the opposite. It's very easy to set up. This thing says horrible product, disappointed, did not work at all, but I didn't have that experience with mine. Once again, I want to thank the company Shine Decor for so graciously providing us with this smart neon flexible light. I encourage you to click through my product link and go ahead and buy one if you need a neon flexible light with a diffuser. Please like and subscribe to Supercar Street Racing. It helps us out greatly when you do that, and buy all of your products through any of our Amazon links. It doesn't have to be a link for this product. You can buy anything from any of my links. And that does help me out greatly, as it gives the channel a few dollars, and we do lose money on the channel. Thank you for supporting us, and we will see you next time. Right now we have to go. We have 1,000 LED strips to install at the house.